Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the Bitfun channel. It's your boy Zay. On this channel, we talk about crypto analysis. We go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, and just look at the overall market trends. The goal is to make money on this channel, right? So today is currently Tuesday, April 15th, 2025. It's around 8:10 a.m. Bitcoin is approximately around 85.7 K or $0.7 thousand. We are still in our mid-range right now, which is above 84K. If that is marked off as the midline, looks as though we've created two deviations below this mid-range area, serving as one, and then two. If you really want to count this one, this can be three as well. But it's been really 1, 2, 3, 4 main times that we've been under this $84,000 area. Currently, we're sitting above this area, which is bullish in the mean term. We also can see like this long-term downtrend has been broken, and it looks as though we came back and tested support right here. So if you have any long plays entered in right now, I think that could be somewhat bullish. I think our next area or our next target would be here around 88K. Our next one would be here around 91K, and then we would just continue to hit levels if we're able to truly break through this level, right? With that being said, I want to just take a look at the S&P 500, what it was able to do yesterday, and it really didn't do much. It just looks like it bounced off resistance. Yesterday, it looks as though price came all the way down here, tried to dip below, and then it got above, but it closed bearish. So that is interesting. So that caused me to wonder, all right, how is Bitcoin getting a pump right now? I'm not sure just yet, but it is tricky right now. We're in somewhat of a choppy range. I don't even know how to describe it. Oh, it's a downward wedge. It's a falling wedge, right? Boom. If you see it right here, and then boom, you see it right here. Right? If you just mark it off like that, this is the pattern that's in front of us. It's going somewhat like that, and it looks as though it's breaking above, and it came back down here. That would have been a perfect entry. The only thing is your stop loss would have to be right here, just because that was the previous low. So if you're able to get an entry here, which I don't think is the worst idea, you have a stop loss right here, which is this. You can even set it just a bit lower just to have a little bit of breathing room, and then you can target what I would personally target. Of course, you have this 88K, but you do have this main resistance here at 91K. One thing to be cautious of is that we have, at least in the short term, we front ran this 70K support, so we came all the way down here. I know I was expecting to at least get down here somewhere in this box around like the 70K area. Like really, I wanted right here somewhere in this area. I think a lot of people were gonna get scared right here, and I was gonna just swoop in and put the biggest trade of my life in right there. But sometimes the market doesn't give that to you, so not saying that it won't, but it just hasn't at this moment in time. So you just can't do nothing at this level because price hasn't given you that opportunity. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll over to the 4 hour, and we're just going to look and see. Like, I think this is bullish. This is bullish. I personally like to see a lot of bullish momentum like this before I enter. This right here is fine. It's just a little bit slower in my opinion. Like, it's more so curving, but it is holding above this mid-range area, which is good, and that's something that as a trader you would like to see. But yeah, we gotta wait and see what's going on. Ethereum's doing the same thing. It's kind of like, it's bullish right now on the short term, but it's just chopping up. It's going up kind of slowly. It's not having that pop like it wants to get up out of this range. And maybe we're just early for that. I haven't looked at Solana or Doge yet, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing, same as this chart, pretty much the same as Bitcoin too. It's at a support area, but it just hasn't had that burst yet to get up through there. Like, see, boom, we're here. We can see that this is a deviation for the time being on the 4 hour. We're here at the mid area of this box, but are we getting enough juice to get through there? I don't know yet. Only time will tell. right? Same thing with those. Let's see. See, we're still here in this mid-range. We're at a great support. We're at a great buy zone as far as dollar cost averaging. I think that would be an excellent time to buy here because we're at 16 cents, right? The highs of, shoot, at least just the 2020 in 2024 got as high as what? Almost 50 cent. We're going to say 49 cent for right now. So if you just look at that and just measure that out, I think that is pretty significant as far as bullishness. So we go here, we go here, we go all the way up here. That's 200% on 1x leverage. If you add 10, that's 2,000% of whatever you put in, which is extremely great to make money. It's an extremely great way to make money. But nevertheless, we're going to go back to Bitcoin. We're going to chill right now. We can see that it has a lot going on. It's kind of like deciding, in my opinion. One thing I do like about it, though, is really this deviation right here that we've created. Like this dip below, and just as fast we were able to come down, we were able to recover, and that's a V-shaped correction, which I value because it shows that there's strength in the market, right? Bulls are attacking once price got this low. So I would like to see, you know what I'm saying, price continue to use this area as support. If we're able to continue to use this area as support, we can target that 91K area. But first we have to see the 88K area first, and then above and beyond. But that's really all I have for today. It's been a great time to just, you know, continue trading, continue learning, and I appreciate y'all for being on the journey with me. Y'all have a great day. I'm gonna catch up with y'all, and I'm gone. You did.